Hello, I'm Aftab Khan, Executive Director and Instructor at BRASI. Supply chain costs are a major component of a company's operating expenses. Sometimes it's almost 2/3 of the total costs. Therefore, there's a continuous effort to improve on supply chain costs, reduce where you can, and product design plays a major role because it involves material costs, processing cost, transportation, distribution, and warehousing costs. And those changes are not easy. If you want to bring a change, you have an idea or you have a benchmark, because there are so many stakeholders in product design. Could be vendors, could be processing, could be compliance, could be quality and distribution, setups, configurations, pallet configurations, container configurations. So there's so many hoops that you have to go through to bring about a change in product for the sake of cost savings, let's say, for example. Well, then the benefits are worth it. So let's not shy from challenging the status quo and making changes, no matter how weird they seem in the beginning. But if you're careful and consider all the different impacts on the aspect that I just mentioned, first of all, quality and compliance, safety, health, environment, and then processing, vendor contribution, their designs, everything else, then you might really hit big savings. I would like to share an example with you today of such a saving that was brought about by making a slight change in the product design. So let's go ahead and take a look. It's about an office chair. See, the office chair, the revolving chair has 5-pronged base. So if you package the chair for shipment as a finished good, you will need a box that can house the full flat width of the 5 prongs. So, and that takes a space. That has been the tradition, that has been the conventional way of shipping, but a company thought better of it and they made a slight change to one of the legs. So I don't want to take the thunder out of the actual presentation, so let's jump right into it. Stay with me. So here's the example of that revolving office chair. See the 5-pronged leg. Take a closer look at this is a real actual chair that I looked at, and if you look at the actual chair, you'll find that it has a small joint. One of the legs, I mean, not all 5, but one of the legs has a small joint, which helps you dismantle it for packaging and put it back before you use it, and it's all in the instructions, which we'll take a look. So see, and that folded leg helps save this much space, which is big in terms of supply chain distribution. These instructions for the user, very simple, just one click, and gives you this much saving in every aspect. Isn't that great? So look around, find more opportunities, and let's work on it. So that was the example that I wanted to share with you today, and I hope that you liked it and it might inspire thoughts of further exploration, looking at your product design and finding ways to make improvements without affecting quality or functionality. Thank you, and bye until next time.